Very good morning. Today we'll discuss data transfer instruction set of 8085 microprocessor. In 8085 microprocessor, the data transfer instruction set total 19 instructions. In part 1 video, we already discussed 7 instructions, and part 2 video already we discussed 6 instruction, and the remaining 6 instruction in part 3 video. Here instruction number 14, XTHL. XTHL means exchange between stack pointer and HL per data, and XCHG means exchange HL register per content with DE register per content. Push RP to push the given register per content to stack pointer. Pop RP means to retrieve the data from stack pointer to that particular register pan. And in 8-bit port address, means to read the data from keyboard or either switches. For that, to use this type of instruction. And 19, out 8-bit port address. Out 8-bit port address means accumulated data to display into either 7 segment or LED. For that, we can use this type of instructions. Okay, first we will discuss the XTHL. 14 XTHL. Here the content of top stack of the to move HL register pan. The content of top of the stack with exchange HL register pan. Here stack pointer address location data to move L register, and then stack pointer address plus 1. Now address will be incremented. The stack pointer address will be incremented. Next address location data to move in H register. This is the operation of XTHL. Okay, this is for exchange. Exchange means L register data to move stack pointer and H register data to move stack pointer plus 1 address, and then stack pointer plus 1 address data to move H. This is for to exchange the data between stack pointer and HL register per content. Here example H register 05 and L register 06, and stack pointer address is 4500. Stack pointer address is 4500. This is for memory. Stack means number of memory locations. In address 4500, 4501 and 4502. Data 08, 0B, 0C. Okay. In the register H05, register L06, and stack pointer address 4500. Now the stack pointer 4500 address location data 08, and the next address location data 0B, and the next address location data 0C. Okay. Now this is for before execute this instruction. After execute this instruction, now stack pointer address is 45. In this address location data to exchange into L register. Now L register data to move 4500 and then the 4500 data to move L register. Okay, after execution of this instruction, now H register and L, and the next address location stack pointer plus 1. Now the 4501 address location data to move H register. Now these two data will be exchanged. Now H register data 0B and L register data 0A, and then memory. Now the stack pointer address 4500. In 4500 L data 06, and then 4501 H register data 02. This is the operation of exchange top of the stack with the HL register pair content. Okay, next one. Instruction number 15, XCHG. XCHG means exchange HL pair with DE pair, not some other register pair. Exchange only between HL register pair content with DE register pair content. Okay, here this is for L register and this is for H register, and this is for D register and this is for E register. Data 05, 03, 02, 06. Okay, this is for before execute this instruction. Okay, now exchange means L register data exchange with E register. This is for HL and this is for DE. This is for LSB and this is for MSB, and this is for LSB and this is for MSB. LSB data we can exchange. Okay, and then D register data we can exchange with H register, and this is for the exchange the MSB data. After execute this instruction, now H register, L register, D register, E register. Now data will be exchanged. Now L register data to move E register, and then E register data to move L register. Here after execute this one, L register 06 and then E register 03. Next H register data to move D register, and then D register data to move H register. Now H 02 and then D register 05. This is the operation of exchange between HL register per content with DE register per content, not some other register per content. These two exchange, here the XTHL means exchange stack content with the HL register per content, and XCH means the content of the HL register pair with the DE register per content. Okay, both are exchange. Okay. Next instruction push RP. Push RP means, here RP means any register pair, either DC, DE, HN and PSW. PSW means program status word. It consists of A register and flag register content. Here this is for HN, this is for DE and this is for BC. And PSW means program status word. It is a combination of accumulator content and flag register content. Okay. Here push RP means the content of the register pair. The content of the register pair is pushed into stack pointer. Is pushed into stack pointer. At that time, the stack pointer address will be decremented twice. Stack pointer address will be decremented twice. The given register pair content temporarily to store into stack pointer. At that time, the stack pointer address will be decremented twice. Example, push B register. Push B register means B and C. B register 09 and C register 08. We have to initialize the what is the stack pointer address. Now the stack pointer address is 4503. Okay, and this is for memory. Memory means the number of memory address location. That is stack number of address. This is for 4500, 4501, 4502, and then 4503, 01, 02, 07, 88. Now, before execute this instruction, push B. Now the B register content 09 and C register data 08. Now the stack pointer address. Now to point out that this is the stack pointer address 4500 in this address location 88. This is the top of the stack. Top of stack. Okay, this is the top of the stack. Here push B means B register data to move stack pointer -1 address location. B register data to move stack pointer address location -1, and then C register data to move stack pointer -2 address. Okay, after that stack pointer -2 address is represent for now the top of the stack. This is the operation of the push B. Okay, here B register 09, C 08, and the stack pointer address 4500. Now to push the B register data, it will push the first MSB data. This is B means BC register pair. BC means this is for LSB data and this is for MSB data. First we have to push B register data, that is MSB data. The B register data to move stack pointer address -1. Okay. After execution of this instruction, okay, after execution of this instruction, this is for B and C and the memory. Now the stack pointer address is at present 4503, 4502 and 4501 and 4500. Example, data 09 and 08. Now B register data to move stack pointer -1. Now the stack pointer address is 4501. Now 4501 -1 means now it will move into 4502. Now the 4502 to move the B register data 09. Here the 4503 88 data will be available. Next, C register data to move stack pointer address -2. Stack pointer address is 4503 -2 means 4501. Now C register data to move here and data 08 and 4500 already 01 data. Now this is the top of the stack. Top of the stack. Now the stack pointer address is at present 4501. That is stack pointer initial address 4503 minus of 02. It will move to stack pointer. Now this is the top of the stack. Okay. This is the operation of the push RP. Okay. The given register pair content. The given register pair content either BC, DE, HL or PSW. Okay. Any register pair content to push into stack pointer. It will move temporarily to store into the stack pointer. Okay, the B register data to move the stack pointer address -1 location, and the C register data to move stack pointer address -2 location. Now this is the top of the stack. Now the stack pointer address after execute this instruction. This is the top of the stack. Now address is 4501. Okay, in push operation to push the data register pair to stack pointer, at that time the stack pointer address will be decremented twice. The present address is 4503. After this instruction execute, now the stack pointer address will be decremented twice, 4503. Okay, any doubt? Okay. Next one, 17th instruction pop RP. Here pop RP means to retrieve the data, just reverse process of push operation. Here pop means to retrieve the stack pointer data to that particular register pair. Push means register pair content to push into stack pointer, but pop means to retrieve the data from stack pointer to that particular register pair. Here register pair, same thing, BC, DE, HL and PSW, program status word. Okay, here pop RP means example pop D. Now to retrieve the stack pointer data to the given register pair DE. Here DE, register D05, register E04. Now the stack pointer address is 4500. Now the stack pointer is 4500. Before execute this instruction, before execute this instruction, now stack pointer SP, stack pointer address location data to move LSB. This is for MSB and this is for LSB, to move E register. This is for, it will operate LIFO concept. LIFO means lost in, first out. Which data we lost to push into the stack pointer, first the data will be retrieved. Okay. Now the stack pointer address location data to move E register, and then stack pointer +1. That address location data to move D register. Okay, and then stack pointer +2, that address to move stack pointer, top of the stack. Okay, now memory means number of stack. This is for 4500, 4501, 4502. Okay. Now this is the top of the stack. Here the stack pointer address is 4500. This is the top of stack. Now data 09. This is for 0A and this is for 0B. Before execute pop B, Now D register 05, E register 04 and stack pointer address 4500 and 4500 address data 09 and 4501 address data 08 and 4502 data 0B. Okay, after execute this instruction, execute this instruction, first the stack pointer address 4500. Now this address location data to move E register. Next stack pointer address 4501 plus 1. Now address will be incremented 4501. That address location data to move D register. Next stack pointer plus 2. Now stack pointer address 4502 plus 2 means 4502. Okay. Now this is the top of the stack at present. Now that will move to stack pointer. Okay. This is for D register and this is for E register and this is for stack pointer and this is for memory. Here memory 4500, 4501 and 4502 and 4503. Okay. In D register 05, before execute this instruction. After execute pop D. Okay, the stack pointer address 4500, that address location is 09, here the 09 and this is for 08 and this is for 0B. The 09 data to move E register, 09 data to move E register. Now register E equal to 09 and then stack pointer address plus 1. Now 4501. The 4501 address location data to move D register. Now D equal to 0A. Now D equal to 0A. Okay. After that, the stack pointer address will be increment twice. Now 4502. Now this is the top of the stack. Top of stack. Okay. Here the pop instruction, the stack pointer address will be incremented twice. Now to retrieve the data from stack pointer to that particular register, at that time the stack pointer address will be incremented twice. Okay. In push operation, the given register pair content to push into stack pointer. At that time address will be decremented twice. In pop operation, pop means to retrieve the stack pointer address location data to retrieve into the given register pair. At that time the stack pointer address will be incremented. Initial address is 45. After pop, now the stack pointer address is 4502. Now address will be incremented twice. To push the data, at that time address will be decremented twice, and to pop the data, address will be incremented twice. Okay, this is the main difference between push and pop. Both it will operate LIFO concept. LIFO means last in, first out. Which data last to push into stack, that data will be first to retrieve. Okay? Any doubt? No. Next, 18th instruction in 8-bit port address. In 8-bit port address. In 8-bit port address means here port address will be 8-bit. Formula 2 power n, here n represents one number of bit address and 2 for binary digit. 2 power 8 equal to 256 bytes. 256 bytes. We can represent in decimal 0 to 255. Okay. In microprocessor, all the data and all the address represent only in hexadecimal format. So we can convert, this is for decimal, we can convert the hexadecimal 00 to FF. 00 to FF. This is the 8-bit port address. We have to give the port address between 00 to FF. Okay. Example, in FFH. This is for 8-bit port address. In means to read the data. In means to read the data, either keyboard or switches. In means to read the data where the given port address. Okay, the given port address, it will connect it either keyboard or switch. Now to read that particular key data, and then the corresponding data will be moved into accumulator. Now the 8-bit port address location data to move into A register. This is the operation for to read the data from either keyboard or switch. Now the port address is between 00 to FF according to the given hardware circuit diagram. The address will be changed, but we have to give the address between 00 to FF. While address is 8-bit. 8-bit means 2 power 8 equal to 256. We can start with 00 to FF. Okay. Next one, 19 out 8-bit port address. Out 8-bit port address. Here 8-bit port address means this is for 8-bit address. We can give the address 00 to FF according to the hardware circuit diagram. Now to read the data, the given port address, and then the read data will be to move into accumulator. In out 8-bit port address means, in out 8-bit port address means, example out D5H. Out means accumulated data to display into given 8-bit port address. Here the 8-bit port address will be connected to either LED or 7 segment. LED or 7 segment. Now accumulated data, this is for to read the data from either keyboard or switch. The data will be moved into accumulator. Now the accumulator content to display the given 8-bit port address, either LED or 7 segment. Okay, this is for read operation and this is for write operation. Okay, the both address will be 8-bit. According to hardware circuit diagram, the address will be changed between 00 to FF. Okay, this is the operation for to read the data from either keyboard or switch through the given 8-bit port address. Okay, the read data will be moved into accumulator. And out 8-bit port address means accumulated data to write into the given 8-bit port address. Here the 8-bit port address will be connected to LED or 7 segment. Now the accumulated data will be displayed into LED or 7 segment. Display or to write the given into 8-bit port address. This is a operation of in and out. Total 19 instruction in data transfer instruction set. Okay. Any doubt? No. Thank you.